Ha. Um, I'm so sorry. This one you like the rice, but you know, get swallow up this system now. Your body not be that type now. Come what the system will get. Mm. Chai. So what can we do now? What can we do? Mm. You don't know. Mm. I know how money this moment, but let me see how you're going to be. I will do something. I know how money now, sure, but I will do something. Anyhow, let me check up. Let me check for that small money going enter my hand within the week. Mm. I know how money now to send you money. I know how now to send you na. But at least I will do something. Find way first. Eat the indomie first. I will give you the money. See, once sleep hungry. How? Wait till me and you to do. Eh. I will slap you now. I could just slap you now. You not gonna expect yourself where you do. Hmm. Wait till me and you can do. What will they do? Oh, so we don't have anything in common, right? You're confused. Ha. I don't understand this one. Since all this year is what mean you be confused. Mm. Okay. So that boyfriend and me are you and somebody else. Mm.